One of the most important things when taking the PSAT is to be really comfortable with the types of questions that you're going to see and to have some strategies in your back pocket that you can use on the different sections. What we're going to do right now is take a look at the critical reading section, the type of questions that you're going to see, and then also 4 strategies that are going to help you answer these questions successfully. As I mentioned before, the critical reading section has 2 25-minute sections. This is sort of like the SAT. On the SAT, you're going to have a few more sections, maybe 3 or 4. In the critical reading section, there are 2 types of questions. The first are sentence completion questions. They're a lot shorter and easier, some people say, as the passage-based questions. Let's take a look at what those might look like. A sentence completion question always is a complete sentence with 1 or 2 blanks. As you can see, you'll always have 5 answer choices. Some of the words may be really difficult. You might not know them, like artiste, but some of them you may be familiar with, things like philanthropist. You also may have sentence completion questions with 2 blanks. So, for example, Kara's essay was blank and blank, reflecting no originality and little effort. You have to pick the 2 words that would fit best in these 2 blanks. The other type of question that you're going to see on the critical reading section are passage-based questions. Now, there are a couple different questions that you're going to see. Some of them are going to ask you to refer to specific lines, something like the author lists the topics in line 15 through 17 in order to what? So what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to look in the passage on those specific lines to answer the question. Some of the questions also may be a little bit more general, something like this. The tone of the passage can best be described as what? It's going to require you to read the entire passage and to answer questions as a whole, looking at the passage as a whole. Let's take a look at a couple of strategies that you can use to answer these types of questions.